In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to download and install Actions and Stuff 1.4 in Minecraft Bedrock. If you find it helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. It really supports the channel. This pack is super fun, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. First, go ahead and exit your current world and head back to the Minecraft main menu. From there, scroll down to the Marketplace option and look for Actions and Stuff. If it's not on the front page like it is for me, just head up to the search icon in the top right corner and search it up manually. Once you've found it, it should look something like this. And as you can see, it does include 6 skins and 1 texture pack. You'll also see the cost. For me, it is $9.99 USD or 16.90 Minecraft coins. Click on either of these options to begin the purchase. After purchasing it, click download on the right. Once it's downloaded, confirm any prompts and wait a moment. Now select activate texture pack on the right. In global resources, go to my packs, find the pack and hit activate. Alternatively, you can activate it from within a specific world. Just hit edit on your world, or do this while creating a new one. Go to resource packs and select available, then owned, and activate it from there. Once that's done, hit play and you'll notice the animations now have much more detail.